Alright, hi there, it's Jacob. Quick video on how I treat my bad back. You know, when you get in the corners of your back and kind of just above your hips, the back of your hips, seems to be like a dad back issue. So yeah, let's flip this round. So first protocol is natural anti-inflammatories. So I don't know how you say this one. I like that one because it's quite effective and quite cheap. Tart cherry or cherry juice, they're quite cheap as well. It's more expensive. Farmer EPA, well, that's good stuff, good for dry eyes as well. 1,000 milligrams of EPA as well is meant to be as effective as antidepressants for depression. Quercetin's pretty good for allergies as well, and that's quite cheap. Hi Jacob, what are you doing, mate? You want a muscle relaxant as well, so that there. Right Jacob, what are you doing, mate? Magnesium. Magnesium glycinate is good. That's my favourite for muscle aches or Epsom salts. In the bath, that L3 and 8. That's good for that's really good for anxiety actually. That there is Carver. That's awesome. That's from about 4 years ago. I ordered that from Poland. I just got it there in case my back goes properly into spasm. That's brilliant stuff. Jacob, believe that, mate. And then that there is hot chili rub. That you whack it on, chili muscle rub, from Amazon. You whack it on, you don't feel much, but as soon as you get a sweat on, it can be agony, but it is effective, at least in up your back. So keep that one in mind, but just a warning, it is agony if you put too much on or you get it on your eyes. So they're my main things to do. I want to use like one of those magnetic belts as well with the chili rub. And last thing, BPC 157, have a look at that. If you're in agony all the time with your back, have a look at that. You can mix it yourself. You can get tablets now. And you can mix it and just drink it. It's good for leaky gut as well, because yeah, inflammation a lot of time starts in the gut. So collagen, get yourself some collagen powder as well if you think you might have. So yeah, that's it really. So it's usually a case of a bit of inflammation and a lot of muscle tightness. So obviously get your stretches on as well. Look for QL stretches, the quadratus lumbarum or some QL stretches. That should bring it up. So yeah, natural anti-inflammatories, natural muscle relaxants like magnesium's the main one. Carver, you have that just in case it goes into proper spasm, which it has done a couple of times doing kettlebells. And your chili muscle rub, if you use that, just be aware it does kill. I've got it on now, it's not too bad actually, but it can really hurt because it gets that hot. And one of those magnetic belts helps as well. Oh, got a foam roller obviously, that's good. I'll get a cricket ball and just kind of sit or lie on where it hurts, put the pressure on it hold it for a minute or two, that's really good. Massage guns are decent as well, but expensive. Well, I've got another video of how I made my own. Got a massage chair as well. Now I'm working from home. But yeah, hope it helps.